Here we're making a mega water slide launch ramp. It's a lot of fun. It feels different every time because we never build the same slide. So people come down this bit of carpet and set off. No sliding on your bottom, sir. Water keeps the slide slippery at all times. It flows at about 1 cubic meter per hour. The track is 50 meters long. And there's a 1.2 meter high ramp at the end. This participant is butt naked. I guess he wants to pick up speed. Come and see the pool, which holds 45 cubic meters. It lets you do jumps of, let's say, 5 to 6 meters on average, and land in dirty, shallow water. I was lucky enough to have access to a lake at my country house, and we'd seen online videos of Americans jumping into lakes like this. And we thought, wow, we've absolutely got to do that. So we took the Peugeot 205. We had an idea. We made a reel with a rim soldered to the rim on the 205. That created a very precise reel, much better than the Americans. And we made the world's biggest slip and slide. A slide we made last summer in Cantal in a little village. It was for a festival, and they really had the perfect spot, with a steep slope and a big lake below. Absolutely stunning place. People had a lot of fun, belly flopping into the water. After having worked in an office for 2 years at a computer in the middle of summer with the aircon on, I realized that I much prefer making a slide in the great outdoors. My father got me into DIY pretty early on. I used to build cabins in the woods when I was little, and he taught me to make more complex things. You've got the rhythm down.
I don't think we'll have enough wood.
Jeffrey is my associate. We've been doing these projects together for a very long time now. He was my neighbor at the country house, and we've always been messing around together.
It's beautiful, right?
Since we were little, we've built cabins in the woods and kept busy together. We sort of think the same way, and that helps on projects like this. It helps a lot. We like doing it ourselves, hammering in the nails ourselves.
To make a slide like this, an electric screwdriver and a chainsaw are two essential tools. Along with the mallet, that's a winning trio.
We don't want to resign ourselves to something standard, just buying a plastic slide that's made in China and putting it in pretty landscapes. Making something that's completely up to EU standards, to all existing safety regulations. See, with nice tarpaulins to cushion it, good wooden planks for the sides, and an entirely plasticized structure. The proportions, we played by ear. Worst comes to worst, we'll make them land in the river. This pool's a lovely color. That's all you need to make a good slide. This is the first time we won't be landing in a lake or an inflatable pool. It's the first time we're making a giant pool like this one. It holds 45 cubic meters. It's made of 20 big bales of hay. We're also worried the water might get out, that there might be a leak, or that the pressure might be too great and push the bales outward.
Good?
Yeah. We tighten straps around them, but we're not sure. It's not right, I need 30 centimeters more, but you won't be able to give me them.
We're going to test it, see if it works, and then we can open it to the public. It's better if one of us sacrifices ourselves.
What we like and what drives us to keep going is that people love that offbeat originality. We're in an increasingly standardized world. It's algorithms, robotics, very strict things. And we want to break down those barriers and show that with 3 planks and a bit of carpet, you can make quite nice things and have a lot more fun than in front of a computer.